So Papa Murphy's, what kind of pizza is it?
It's an all meat.
Okay.
Yep. This is the one that my mom and Laura's always have. They, as you say to the mom, they don't want any black olives, they don't want any mushrooms, they don't want any, you know, make it meat. Like, oh, that's pretty good.
It is good. I got Kona sitting on the floor over here looking at me.
Wow. The corn's not too bad, is it?
I haven't gotten to the corn yet. I was letting it cool down a bit.
I would say that we're pretty lucky that we have a house where you can be upstairs and we can be downstairs and you can eat over there a safe distance away. And
I can still see you guys. A COVID-19 dinner. Put everybody with COVID-19 at the table. Ooh, the corn is good.
Who just got?
And Scott brought it over?
Yep.
Yep. Brought over lasagna, so I might have lasagna going.
Alright.
We can keep eating the soup for lunch and stuff.
Yeah.
We have a little pizza left over, and so should keep it going for a while.
There we go. I was thinking if this is the kind of thing that they buy, you know, cook or go for dinner. It's like, they should never have a whole box of cookies.
No. I will be willing to bet they about 2.
Yeah.
And the salad is at Costco?
Yep.
Okay, what is that? Slice of pizza later, okay.
Did you guys finish Crazy Rich Asians?
We got about 10 minutes left.
Almost.
I'd forgotten how mean it could be, man. I mean, I suppose it could probably happen for any
I hear you.
anybody, but I would imagine the more money you have, the more the tendency might be.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's a little bit of the adjustment too, is like, how do you still be the culture with all that money? Wasn't that one Danette got for you guys for Christmas one year?
I think it was Connie that actually got it.
Maybe. I don't remember.
And she got Connie liked it, so she got a copy for everybody and that and us and
Okay. I can see it.
Mr. Kona dog doing his rounds.
Well,
It is. You're not getting any satisfaction over here.
Oh. I hear you.
oh. There's been a few burps out of it. I think I need to handle another piece for maybe. I'll wait a little bit. I don't feel uncomfortable yet. I have to leave it down. Well, that was good. Tasty.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Yeah.
like I say, Papa Murphy's up by 6 ways, nothing like the one up in Carver. Nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Going up in Carver is just a machine. You walk in there, and they're making pizzas left and right. They've got them stacked. They've got 4 or 5 people in there working. You just have one person.
One person? Wow.
There's no even